understanding your unconscious mind and working with depth psychology can undoubtedly lead to profound inner changes, transformation, personal transformation and healing. However, 30 years in the therapy room has taught me one essential truth, and that is, above all truths, and that is that healing is not a matter of the will. It's not a matter of understanding. It's a matter of the heart. So in this short video, I'll take you into a short meditation designed to bring you into your heart, so that you can use this every day to learn how to become aware of your inner world and bring about healing in a very simple way. But before that, I want to just say I'm delighted you're here, and I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Also, I wanted to let you know that in a couple of weeks, I'll be running a new webinar called Sacred Depths, which is about soul healing, which is what we're doing, and spiritual awakening. So combining the work of the depth psychological work of Carl Jung, which enables us to learn about our inner lives, and combining that with spirituality and spiritual disciplines such as meditation. So I hope you will join me. You will find more information about that on my website. Now, so into our meditation. This is a short meditation, and the most important thing is to create the sacred space. So create the sacred space, have your candle there with you, and take some deep breaths so that you drop into the space. Dropping into the space is very important because it allows you to completely be still and go within. So we'll do that gently. Make sure that your body is relaxed and that you have created the sacred space. Now, closing your eyes, bring your awareness into the center, into your center. Visualize a column of light called the Sushumna, which is our connection to the divine, coming down through the crown chakra into your heart. Goes through all the chakras, of course, but connect with your heart. Now, just allow your energy to drop down there. Be still for a moment. What does being in your heart feel like? Perhaps just you might visualize your heart. There is a light and a flame, a sacred flame in your heart. And this guides you every day, most particularly when you want to heal. Breathe from your heart. Feel your breath coming in through your heart and out again. Become aware of this column of light. You might see the color, you might even connect with the violet flame, but visualize this light coming down through your crown chakra into your heart. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, bring that light down through all your chakras. But stay in your heart. You might become aware of all sorts of feelings, thoughts, emotions. Allow these to come. For healing, it's most important to allow whatever needs to be healed to come to the surface. Continue breathing into your heart. Visualize this beautiful golden light, the light of love and healing, the divine light. It triggers the light within you, so it becomes a flame. So allow any emotion or feeling that needs to be healed to come to the surface. And instead of pushing it away, take it in your hand if necessary and put it in your heart. It might be a feeling of grief, a feeling of a difficult emotion like resentment, jealousy, feeling abandoned or rejected. Take that feeling, put it in your heart. Feel yourself breathing love, this divine love, into the feeling, and see what happens. And if there's other parts of your body that are calling to you, as in any physical symptoms that are bothering you that call, bring the energy there, that healing energy, that light, that divine light, bring it there, down into perhaps your hips, your solar plexus. Just bring it there, bring the energy there. Breathe again this light, this healing light. Every time you connect with your heart, your own heart, triggers that divine light within. You are triggering your own healing power. Continue this breathing. Focus the breath on the part of the body that you wish to heal, or just keep it in your heart or allow it to flow wherever it needs to flow. Breathe in this light. Feel all your cells illuminated. Every cell in your body has consciousness and memory. Breathe in here. Release anything that no longer serves you. And bring in your healing light. And remember all the time that you are a being of light. When we connect with our light being, healing happens naturally. And now bring in a feeling of joy, gratitude, love If it's difficult for you to do that naturally, think of a person that makes you feel love, or think of an event or a time when you felt pure joy, and bring that feeling into your heart. This will also heal whatever needs healing in you. Feel that joy, that love permeating all your cells, your chakras. Allow your light body to expand. So your physical body dissolves into the light body that you are, with no boundary. And at this point, you can also bring an intention to be healed. I am healed. See yourself healed, full of joy and love. And feel that joy within your heart, that healing within your heart. Then gently, as you emerge from the meditation, bring your awareness back into the room again. Open your eyes, bow your head to your heart. May the head always be the servant of the heart.